Hello fellow gardeners, Shreya here. Today I want to show you guys the set of gardening tools from Kraft Seeds Gate Garden that is absolutely essential whether you are just starting out with gardening or are already an enthusiast. Let me show you what all it includes. This set of heavy-duty gardening tools is ideal for household and professional gardening. They are corrosion resistant and designed for safe and smooth operation. This set includes 2 trowels, one big and one small, and one cultivator. These are important for planting and are designed for easy handling. A pair of hand gloves. They are made for optimum grip, comfort, and safety. Gardening pruner. You can use this one to cut through branches up to 2 cm. It has a hoop for carrying and the blades are designed for precision. Eye weeder and a fork. So go ahead and order these today. It's an essential gardening tool kit to have at home if you are in the mood for some easy, safe and smooth gardening.